The ocean, vast and powerful, a realm of endless mystery and boundless energy, a force of nature that inspires awe and wonder, captivating the hearts and minds of those who dare to explore its depths. It's a world of constant motion, where the wind whips the waves into a frenzy and the currents carve landscapes beneath the surface. The ocean's dance is both beautiful and terrifying. This untamed wilderness, with its raw energy, reminds us of the immense power of the natural world. It is a testament to nature's unyielding force. It's a realm where life began, and it continues to teem with a diversity that never ceases to amaze. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is a cradle of life. Yet for all its beauty, the ocean demands respect. Its waves can be unforgiving and its depths perilous. Its depths hold secrets yet to be discovered, and its moods can change in an instant. The ocean is a place of endless discovery and untold stories. To witness the ocean in its rawest form is to experience the true power of nature. It is a humbling reminder of our place in the world. Waves are the ocean's most visible display of power, a testament to the untamed energy of nature. These rolling giants are born from wind, a force that breathes life into the ocean's surface. Their size and strength are determined by the wind's intensity and duration, creating a dynamic dance of water and air. Imagine a vast expanse of water whipped into a frenzy by a relentless gale, each gust adding to the ocean's fury. The energy transferred from the wind creates ripples which grow into swells, gathering momentum and strength. Eventually, these swells become the mighty waves that crash upon the shore, a powerful display of nature's force. These waves, with their relentless pounding, have shaped coastlines over millennia. They carve out cliffs, sculpt beaches, and transform the shoreline. Each wave leaves its mark on the landscape, a testament to the ocean's enduring power. The crashing of waves is a symphony of power, a rhythmic reminder of the ocean's might. It serves as a reminder of the immense forces at play in the natural world, forces that shape our planet in profound ways. Wind, the invisible hand that sculpts the sea, shaping the waves and guiding the currents. It's the Earth's way of balancing heat, redistributing warmth from the equator to the poles, creating a continuous flow of air from areas of high pressure to low pressure, a dance of atmospheric forces. This seemingly simple process drives our weather patterns, orchestrating the movement of clouds and precipitation, from gentle breezes that rustle the leaves to raging storms that can uproot trees and reshape landscapes. Wind plays a crucial role in ocean dynamics. It drives currents, mixes surface waters, and helps regulate the temperature of the seas, influencing the distribution of marine life, guiding schools of fish and the migration of marine creatures. Without wind, the oceans would stagnate, becoming lifeless and still, and the delicate balance of life within them would be disrupted, leading to the collapse of marine ecosystems. Next time you feel the wind on your face, remember its invisible power, a force that has shaped mountains, carved valleys, and created the dramatic landscapes we see today, a testament to its enduring influence on our planet. Section 4. Harmony in chaos. The ocean's power can be intimidating, even frightening, yet within this untamed wilderness lies a delicate balance, a harmony in chaos. The same waves that crash against the shore also provide a vital habitat for countless creatures. The wind that whips up storms also carries nutrients across vast distances, supporting life throughout the ocean. This delicate balance is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature. Every element plays a role, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale. Understanding this balance is key to appreciating the true wonder of the ocean. Section 5. A symphony of nature. The ocean and the wind, a symphony of nature. They work together, shaping landscapes, driving weather patterns, and supporting a wealth of life. The crashing waves, the howling wind, the salty spray on your face, these are all reminders of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. But this symphony is under threat. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are all disrupting the delicate balance of our oceans. It's our responsibility to protect this precious resource for ourselves and for future generations. Section 6. A call for respect. As we marvel at the power of the ocean and the wind, let us also remember our responsibility towards them. We are part of this planet, not apart from it. Our actions have consequences, and it's time to make sustainable choices. Reduce your carbon footprint, support organizations working to protect our oceans, and spread awareness about the importance of conservation. So, hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up and share with family and friends, and would love to hear your thoughts. Let's ensure that the symphony of nature continues to play on for generations to come.